video. And yeah, so basically, let me show you the update. Maybe the final one because I'm running out of ideas. So yeah, I added UI, like new UI and stuff. Yeah, meguni is fixed now. Utah, I did do some stuff on him, I think. So far, not gonna add spawn animations yet. And I fixed the boss. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you all like probably what I left off with last time. So of course this. Don't worry, because this dummy is not. It does not have the same amount of HP as you will if you manage to find out my server. But this is meant to be extended with Rika. But yeah, you can't make Rika move in like moveset. So basically, this move is meant to be paired. Don't worry, that dummy's okay. No dummies were harmed in that. My bad. Making of this video. Yes, I named it Buster Blow. The last two, of course, they're glitched. I'll probably respawn to show y'all, but like that's what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to use Buster Blow. Which now, even if you do manage to miss it while a ragdoll, you can still twirl, and it stuns them. It still stuns them, and you can just hit them. But yeah, I'm gonna re-equip you so that way I can show you. Yeah, make Alistair is still the same. He just has a more bad version. Also, I don't think I showed y'all the team icons. Yeah, so it's just your average team icon for like Chuchu, Kaizen. There you go. Don't worry about the conquest. Totally not a conquest thingy. But curses, civilians. Yes, civilians, because like imposter. Oh, you gotta make Alistair. Yes, very, very lag causing. And don't move now uses blue as its starting position. Because some people would just like dodge out of it and then like not be hit. Like you would be like in the middle of using the move and they would just like weave, just do a circle, and they wouldn't get hit. So I had to make blue stun them, and it only stuns for 0.1. Because like the beginning of the attack counts as a hit, and they had to make it stun for 0.1. So stuns for 0.1 and does that. And also use Buster Blow during that. Yes, you take no stun while doing that attack. So you can reform some awesome, some weird combos. And I think the only move that has a alt variant still is Buster Blow or McAllister. I think it's McAllister. Because it has a miss variant. It's either that or it's Don't Move in McAllister. Yeah, Don't Move basically is a mini domain, just like the variant for this. Yeah, it's Buster Blow. The lag. Yeah, this is what it does. Yeah. Very explosive and lag causing. Practically an insta kill. And basically the same thing I'm gonna show y'all later. Not to spoil anything. Ooh, that lag. It keeps Don't Move, which does not activate because it does not do the variant. Last Cursed Energy. Reference to UG, Higuruma and UG down there, as you can see, which is basically like manga, and the manga so far, not the show, just the manga for the people that are curious and just watching this if YouTube actually decides to show you this. It shows you like it shows Higuruma after he gets absolutely sliced, getting turned into like disappear, starts not becoming himself, and he just gives he starts going on, he starts going somewhere else to another place. So he hands his last bit of curse energy / his alt, if you want to understand, the sword, whatever it's called, I don't remember. It's a Yuji, and that's the reference. But like this time, it used the run of Hegar's move, so that's funny. Yeah, don't move, just use the regular variant, because, like, you're already on your ult. I don't think copy will works. I don't think the thingy works. But you can also just use last cursed energy on a down player, which does a lot more damage because it uses a move that does damage based on what your thing is. And this is the thing. Still, you can get stunned while doing this, which I'm not fixing. It's meant to happen. Like, what's practically meant to happen is you're either supposed to use it against a Jane, which I'll show you Jane if... Yeah, I'll just show you Jane. Where's Jane? Don't worry about who that was. Jane is not early. Work in progress. Of course, because almost all these characters that I made in the past are work in progress. I think Jane is just like who I'm gonna show you next. So beam, 2 beams. I think Justified uses something like custom made beams. I don't know. Or is it unsatisfied? It's unsatisfied. Hurry up is a counter that I've first used JJS. Yeah, it's justified. I use a very low quality beam. It's like a false beam type thingy. But hurry up, of course, is a counter that I'm not gonna show you. This is just like a quick preview. No, I'll show you. I'll show you for fun. Ooh, wrong thing. Attack. Oh yeah, this is unjustified, by the way. And this is justified. Alright, here's her, no reference for that move. I had no reference for that, by the way. I'm just gonna do Infinite Awakening to make this easier. There is like no real way to like track your ult. So what I usually do, I just like do an M1 and a beam. And an extra beam. And then like, oh, I messed it up. Well, basically what you're meant to do is either just spam M1. Like, I think it's the 4 M1s. Okay, it's 7 or 8 M1 combo. 7 M1 combos. For Ryu's normal, which then gets you Clash. But like, that first part is, of course, clashable. And then this is a domain clash. Just a 3-way domain clash. Which can be paired with who I'm going to show you next. I think, wait, who did I say I was going to show me? I forgot. But, anyway, it's kind of bugged. A little. So I'm just going to get out of that. There's Yuta. Maki. Oh yeah, Megumi. Yes, I made the boy Megumi. Totally by myself. Not true, by the way, I did not make it by myself. But like, if you see this video, at least act like I did. I'd very much appreciate it. Yes, do not worry about the one bad word. That isn't really a bad word, because, like, it's a place. Rabbit rush is like front flip, rabbit, then you literally just rush summon the dog. That way you can just like combo. Like the stupid bug. And yeah, it does a little too much damage. Most of these attacks. I like wanted to go for an opposite type thingy. Cause like in the manga, or at least in the show, he's weaker. I've read the manga, but like in the show, it feels like he's a lot weaker. If you do manage to hit that first part of the second ability, it does the snake for a little. Yeah, there are a lot of finishers this moveset. Yeah. This really doesn't have a finisher, other than lifting them 7 million feet in the sky and then just leaving them there. You can also just miss the rabbit rush, the second part of rabbit rush, by just like looking down. Keep in mind that this is not official JJS stuff. And here's my 8 grip sword. Why is it not working? Oh. It's because I have the wolf active. I think it's because I have the wolf active. Maybe? Or is it because one of my moves have it at the second part of it? Sometimes the 8... Yeah, there you go. Oh no. I'm gonna take a clip. Wait, I'll take a clip later. So here's electric eel. Yes, it does take your ult, even in infinite ult. Yeah, that's how you use that properly. Some people use them differently. These moves practically consist of a bunch of other moves and like the bird repeatedly, which is still cool. But like we impatient elephant. I still do not remember what this does. I'm pretty sure it's meant to be used facing towards you. I'm pretty sure you made it to where it has to be facing toward, like, they have to be facing, like, you have to be behind them, and then you use impatient elephant to get the hit on them, and it just summons rabbits. And if you use it while doing this special thing at the end, as you can see there, it does something special. Dang, I forgot that happens. Yeah, that instant kills. That used to instant kill. Which we thought was a little crazy. And then, like, ignored it completely. And just went on with the plan. But, oh, the dummy died. So I'm gonna spawn in a bunch of normal dummies. For this example. Yeah, I'm just gonna surround myself with a ring of them. And then here is Chimera Shadow Garden. It's like the complete version. Oh, this is not. This is. Yeah, it summons the elephants on them. Elephants and other things. The animals do have crits and stuff. And they're basically tag teaming. And only thing you can do here is M1. And this sword also farms with it. Which then becomes this. Yeah. If you're in a house, it does something different. Like, it'll extend out of the house like usual. But then it'll sometimes kind of bring you back into the house and then like completely ignore any damage. Make you completely ignore any damage for 35 seconds. Which is random crit, we call it. Main reason we just called it a random crit is because it was annoying to call anything else. I'm actually probably gonna change Divine Downfall. Like, because I figured it does this for like 20 years. And then it does that final part. So I'm gonna change that final part. Punch into the thingy. Yeah, grab. You have to be facing for this ult. And no, you cannot get hit while in this part. Slams him down. Yeah. Come here, shotgun. You can also do it beside a building. It forms the building into there, but only the stairs. So, like, if you do it inside of a building, you're supposed to do it inside of a building, which until TZE actually decides to add something to check if you're in a building, we cannot, like, we're not gonna custom make it because, like, it's annoying. That would be annoying to make. But, it doesn't, like, I don't think it forms the floor. I think it only does the stairs. Yeah. Only the stairs. I don't know why I formed that pig. Yeah, it only does the stairs. Which, the higher you are, the more damage these things do. And you can also pull items out of here. Tree. The domain, I think, does move sometimes with you. I think it either does move with you or moves sometimes. It's like if I walk over here. Yeah, it moves sometimes. See, it slowly moves. Yeah, domain slowly moves. So you can just drag people into it. Like if you really wanted to. Because it opens and closes. It's a global domain. But inside of this domain, which does actually count as a domain, like to the game itself, if you use amphibian, impatient elephant in the ult, it summons the elephant more often. That's all it does. Your opponent can also die in that domain, and you can just resummon the ult. It's very funny. Like if you manage to if you manage to run away, and your enemy's still in here, which is practically impossible. Keeping Ash's domain is so big. I think I'm on a wall. No, I'm just there. I think this is the edge of the domain. Yes, this thing is it's hollow, just like Megumi's domain. See? He's out of the domain. And then he gets knocked back in by the snake. Ooh, yeah, be careful of that. But like, that's all I'm gonna show you for now. So like, goodbye. Have a good time. Beep beep. Don't be a sheep. Cause like, that wouldn't be cool. Goodbye, and my friend.